Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to uninstall or delete AutoCAD Autodesk 2023. So as you can see it right over here, I had opened the app. Now you have to go in your searches and search for add or remove program, which is right over in settings. Just press on it, and there you will have to type Autodesk. Don't just type AutoCAD, because it will give you only the files that are connected to AutoCAD, so it will not completely delete the file. So oh, over here, whatever you want to see, so I have two softwares of Autodesk, which is Revit and AutoCAD. So I want to specifically delete AutoCAD, to search for the softwares or the apps that have AutoCAD writ- written on it, and just press on these three buttons, and you have to then press uninstall. I will of course not do it in front of you, because I don't want to delete it, but I'm showing you how to do it. So first of all, AutoCAD will open in desktop, Autodesk, Autodesk Access, Autodesk Advanced Material Library, Autodesk Advanced Material Library Medium Resolution, Autodesk AutoCAD, of course, then Autodesk AutoCAD performance feedback. In short, whatever you see that is related to Autodesk AutoCAD, you have to press the three icons, which is right over here, and press uninstall. And like that, then again close this window and do a refresh, and again open the same window, and then just for instance check that all the softwares have been deleted or not, and just press on this three button. Whichever of them has not been uninstalled completely, just press this three button and then press on uninstall, and you will see that all your apps connected to AutoCAD Autodesk will be deleted. So that's all for the video. If you liked it, then share it to someone who may need it. Thank you.